Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to Uswa Students Guide YouTube channel. This is our next lecture. Now in this lecture we will discuss about two topics. Number one is types of computer and number two is the classification of computer. These two topics are short and considered as short question. As we know that the number of short question, there are 9 short question in a paper, in a computer science paper, and each short question contain 3 marks. So let's discuss our topic about types of computers. On the basis of data representation, processing, input and output, computers can be classified into the following 3 types. Number 1, analog computers, number 2, digital computers, and number 3, hybrid computers. Data representation. On the basis of data representation, it's mean how to represent data or how computer represent data. Representation means show, to show something, and how computer shows data on the screen or in other form. Now I will discuss about, first of all I will discuss about data. What is data? The collection of raw fact is known as data. Raw material, when you collect raw material, raw facts, this is your data. And now if you arrange this data in the meaningful form, this is your information. There are two things, one is data and other is information. Collection of raw fact is known as data and the meaningful data is known as your information. Now there are 3 types of a computer: analog computers, digital computers, hybrid computers. Number 1 is analog computer. Analog computers represent and process data by measuring quantities such as voltage, current to solve a problem. This represent data by measuring the quantities as you discuss in the physics class 9th, physical quantities like this. Now the process, that represent the process by measuring the quantities such as this quantity voltage or the current I. Voltage is represented by V and the current is represented by I. To solve a problem, they work in the supply in the continuous signal as input and display output simultaneously. In other way, in the simple form, the analog computer works in the continuous form, continuous signals. Analog computers are special purpose devices. These are designed to perform single specific task. Special purpose means the devices that are used to solve specific problem or simple for single purpose. Mostly these devices are used in engineering and scientific applications like temperature sensor. You can sense the temperature and you can make a device that is used to sense your temperature, and you can put the limitation of a temperature, and this will apply in the most of buildings. Smoke sensor, temperature sensor. The accuracy of analog computer is low, but they are faster in the speed as compared to the digital computer. That's why we use these computers, analog computers, in the large fact by making a device known as temperature sensor. They mainly consist of electrical devices such as resistor, capacitor, transistor, etc. They are the combination. There are number of resistors in a analog computer, capacitor, transistor. They are mainly directly concerned with electricity. They are known as analog computers. The diagram of analog computer is as shown in the figure. This is the main diagram of analog computer, and there is a needle that when electricity passes, then the needle will fluctuate and this is the main example of analog computer. Next, dear student, next is the digital computer. This is our daily life computer that we are using at our home offices, our computer lab. Digital computer works with the digits. Digital computer works with the digits. Everything in a digital computer is represented with the binary digits zeros and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. It manipulates them at very fast speed. Data and instructions are fed into the digital computer through an input devices in the form of zeros and 1. As we know that, dear student, computer knows only 0-1 language. 0 means off, 1 means on, 0 means low, 1 means high, 0 means false, 1 means true. There are a number of ways that we can say that what is digital computer and what is 0-1 form. The 0-1 form is known as binary. This is a specific term, binary, and this is a binary language. Binary coding, we can say that BCD, binary coding digits. The computer performs calculation on the data according to the instructions given to the computer program. It means whenever we give the input to the computer, then computer will follow the instructions and process on that input and will show the totally result as output. This belong to the definition of a computer, which is an electronic device which takes data as input, process on that input and shows the result as output. Dear student, this is the diagram of digital computer. Here is a keyboard, here is a mouse, this is a CPU and the LCD or the monitor. Digital computers can store and process large amount of information at high speed. The results produced by digital computer are reliable and accurate. The difference between the digital and analog computer is the main difference is that the result of digital computer that is processed is reliable and accurate. Means accuracy is main thing of digital computer. Digital computers are general purpose computer used in the various field. Dear student, now next we discuss about the hybrid computer. It is the combination of both digital and analog system computers. They combine the characteristics of both analog and digital computers. It means the characteristics of analog computer and digital computer are present or combined in the hybrid computer, because whenever we use these computers, the hybrid computers are main used for the scientific application. These computers are used in the spaceship, missile system, scientific research, hospitals, for controlling industrial process. Hybrid computer is shown in the figure. This is the main diagram of hybrid computer, which is vital sign monitoring unit. This is a hybrid computer. It is used in the hospital to monitor the patient important data such as blood pressure, temperature, respiration and heartbeat. This is hybrid computer example. Now next topic is classification of a computer. How many classes there are computer are divided? There are 4 basic classifications of a computer. Number 1 is supercomputer, number 2 is mainframe computer, number 3 is mini computer, and number 4 is microcomputer. The working of these computers are almost same, but they are differ by their use, by their size, by their speed, by their storage capacity and the number of users they can support. Let's discuss about the classification of digital computer. Digital computers are classified into the supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer based on their difference is as I discussed earlier, as I told you, they are differ by their size, by their speed, by the storage capacity, and the number of users that they can support. Supercomputers are the largest and the most powerful computers. They are large in size. Supercomputers have been used for the scientific and the engineering applications that must handle very large database and do a great amount of computation. They are used to process on the large database. In scientific engineering, it means they are not used at home. These computers are very expensive. Their speed is measured in TIPS, trillions of instructions per second. These computers are used in the nuclear research for forecasting weather sports worldwide. Government organizations also use these computers to meet the extraordinary demand for processing data, which require tremendous processing speed, memory, and other services. They are special purpose computers. They are also called special purpose computers. The Columbia supercomputer located at the NASA. They are located at the NASA for Research Center in USA. Next, mainframe computer. A mainframe computer were developed in early 1940s. The mainframe computer is very large, very powerful, and expensive computer, and that can support hundreds and even thousands of users at the same time. These computers are used in large organizations, not at home. The mainframe computers that use cutting edge technology are found today of the business in the banking, insurance, education, air travel, research, healthcare, governmental, and many other public and private organizations. These computers can execute more than TIBS, means more than trillions of instructions per second. More than trillions of instructions per second. Some example of main computers are IBM computers, Enterprise EC12. This is the model. HP 16500. Dear student, you must memorize the example or the model of these computers clearly. Next is mini computer. Mini computer were introduced in 1960s, and when the ICs, integrated circuit IC chips, were introduced. A mini computer is bigger than microcomputer but smaller than mainframe computers. They are in between these two computers. These computers can execute billions of. The previous were more than trillions of, and they are used billions of instructions per second. Therefore, they can process more data than the microcomputers today. Many computers with the cutting edge technology are playing an important role. They are used in the cutting edge technology in the business organization. Their data processing requirement, database making, and networking in large number of other organizations. These are used in the organizations that have hundreds of users, such as PIA, such as NADRA, such as police department and hospitals, etc. A mini computer is shown in the figure. This is the diagram of mini computer. Next is microcomputer. Microcomputer are the smallest computer, and these are the low-cost computers. These computers are mostly commonly used at home, at offices, at computer labs. The microcomputers was introduced in 1970s. When microprocessor was developed, a microprocessor is the main idea, and then the microcomputer were introduced. Microcomputer is a single chip control the operations of the entire computer system. Modern computer system, and they use millions of instructions per second. A variety of software are available in this. Nowadays we are using laptops, we are using tablets, we are using smartphones, we are using desktop computer. These are all the example of the microcomputer. They are available in the various forms such as desktop, laptop, tablet, etc. Some popular companies that manufacture the microcomputers are IBM's, Dell's, HP, Toshiba, Acer. These are the famous companies of computer. A microcomputer is also known as personal computer or PC. IBM Lenovo series, Dell XPS series, and the HP Envoy series are the some popular microcomputers. Dear student, this is our end of lecture. Thank you very much.